In this video guide, we will give you instructions that will help you to remove the online scam related to the site Pavorg.xyz. Pavorg.xyz is a malicious and deceptive site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Pavorg.xyz tries to scare you into thinking that your computer is supposedly infected by some horrible malware. Pavorg.xyz then tries to make you click on a special proceed button, which leads you to the installation of certain potentially unwanted software. So don't trust these fake and deceptive pop-ups, just leave this deceptive page. We also strongly advise that you examine your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.